Hey everybody, it's been 2 weeks. I hope that you have really been good and diligent about looking at Magnum photos for an hour a day for the last 2 weeks to get you geared up for this assignment. Okay, so now that you've done that, go out and free shoot. Spend your roll of film, your 35 to 36 digital images, taking whatever you would normally shoot. Now what I want you to do when you submit your assignment for this month, take those shots that you are going to shoot now. Submit them for sure. Also select a handful, it doesn't have to be one for one, maybe five or eight photos that are similar to what you have shot for this assignment, but that were taken some months ago before you were looking at Magnum photos every day. And what I want you to do is tell me which ones you took this month. Tell me which ones you took in the past. And I really want you to look at how your work has changed because you've looked at Magnum photos and really seen how some amazing photographers are doing their work. I know, life is so hard when no one's paying attention to you and you're not chasing grasshoppers and eating them. Steinbeck loves to eat grasshoppers. Holy cow. He is quite the good grasshopper hunter too. Yes, all kinds of little bugs. Hornets. Anyway, so when you submit your assignment, if you're submitting it on Instagram, hashtag P101WDH for Photography 101 with David Hancock. Be sure to give me an @ If you don't or can't use Instagram, feel free to submit a link to an album with your work in the comments for this video. I'll approve it when I see it. That link won't go live immediately, but I look forward to seeing the work you do. Even if I don't get to comment on every submission, I will look at them all, and I'm really excited to see how your work changes as a result of the work you've put into reviewing really top-notch photography over the course of the last 2 weeks and the coming 2 weeks. See everybody in December with the last month of assignments for Photography 101.